Swami Sharanam. We have started Pedapadam Yatra along with Surya. Surya is the Kanna Swami. I am the sixth. So, Pedapadam Eldunam Swami Sharanam. Om Sri Swami Sharanam. Swamiyappa, Sharanamappa, Ranamappa, Alallona, Rappallona, Nivedikku, Nivedaivam, Swamiyappa, Sharanamappa, Paranamappa, Papa, Andara Raja, Vanpuli Vahara, Sundara Rupa, Shanmuga Sodara, Harihara Taraya, Swamiye. Ayyappa, Swamiyappa, Sharanamappa, Swamiyappa, Sharanamappa. This is Swami Sharanam, Swami Sharanam, Bhagavan Sharanam, Devan Sharanam, Swami Padam.